Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am back here showing you my new releases for the month of January. So let's go ahead and get started. Firstly, this is the freebie for January. This is a 2.25 and a 3.5 by 3.5 inch sticker sheet, and that includes 3 deco stickers, 2 icons, a script, 2 circles, and 8 swatches. So definitely something you could decorate your page with. And this is printed on premier white matte sticker paper. And just bringing in like that detail, those houses were painted by me using fountain pen ink, and I'm so proud of them. So that is the freebie. Then next we have one of my customers emailed me about some mini icon ideas, so I translated those into these. So this is the swimming icon sheet, and if you actually look really closely, I don't know if you can see that there, but the waves, I kind of wanted to add the line variation of somebody with a brush pen or a dip pen. So that is the swimming icon. And then we have the yoga mat. I really wanted this to look like it had a little bit more detail than just, you know, your regular icon that you see. And then we have your nails. I was gonna do mani-pedi, but I'm like, no, I don't feel confident enough doing a hand and a foot. I think we're good with a nail polish bottle. And then lastly, the watering can. I actually think this is so cute, and I kind of wish I gardened more so I could use these, but I really like these. So those are the icons. Then into the collection. So this month I created 4 collections. The first one being the watercolor houses, and these collections come in either clear matte or premium white matte sticker paper. So the collections can also be purchased as one set with all 4 sheets, or they can be purchased individually a la carte. So the first sheet here is the Deco sheet, and it's got 4 stickers on it. The first one is, I love that house so much. It's cute but imperfect, which is what I like about it. And then the second house with the green, I guess the green bricks, which don't exist, but they do in my collection world. And then we have the house here, and then I combine them together to make a little neighborhood of terraced houses like that. I just want to say about this collection in particular, I never could have seen myself painting something like this 2 years ago, and just I'm so proud of this. I'm so proud of this. So those are the Deco sheets. Then you have the matching swatches and dots, and I use these in my planner spread as well as in my daily journal. And then you have the decorative circles. And then you have the quote and washi, beautiful day in the neighborhood. And the washi, I did 2 different ones. I did the ones with the houses all connected like that, and then the ones that with the houses spaced out like that. So that is the watercolor houses collection. Oh, so proud of that one. The next one we have here is the watercolor, no, hold on, the Valentines Vibes. These ones were also painted using fountain pen ink, and I just want to show you how cute are these. They're kind of perfectly imperfect. You've got the love banner, the candy hearts, the prickly cactus, the donut, because I mean, who doesn't love a good pastry on Valentine's Day? You've got the love letters, the truck. I love that there is a truck for Christmas, but it's like, why couldn't we have had one for Valentine's Day? And then the candy box. And then we have the matching circles, the matching swatches and dots. And just to note as well, the circles and the swatches and dots were also hand painted. These weren't created in Procreate. I painted them along with the collection to make sure that the color actually matches across the way. And then we have the quote and washi, all you need is love and donuts. Agreed. And then I'd like to show the detail on the washi because it's a way for me to combine all of the stickers into one washi strip like this, and I love that. So that is the Valentine Vibes collection. Then we have, this was the first one that I painted actually. These are the Watercolor Hearts. Again, painted with fountain pen ink. And I always have people asking me what ink that I used for this. So the ink I used was Herbon Poussière de Lune. I also used I believe it was, yeah, Robert Oster Melbourne Rose. And then I actually used a mix that Katie had created for me, and then I combined all three to make that color. Now I have to say that once transferring them into Procreate and editing them a bit, they don't match exactly, but those are the inks that were used. So you've got the Deco sheet here, and I really like the way that they look on clear matte paper. Then you have the matching decorative circles, the swatches and dots, and then the quote and washi. I couldn't find a good heart quote, and then I saw this and I'm like, well, that one's easy. Your Heartcore. And I really like those hearts as a washi. So that is the Watercolor Hearts collection. And then lastly, so yes, this month only has 4 collections, but I'm really proud of each of them. We have the Waterlily collection. So again, painted using fountain pen ink. And you've got actually 7 stickers on the Deco sheet here. And then you have the matching circles and the matching swatches and dots, as well as the quote and washi. I really like this one. Without the mud, the lotus cannot bloom. Really pretty collection. Again, available as either clear matte or on premium white matte. So these are all the collections that I have for the month of January. Let me know below which one is your favorite, or is there any particular that you feel you could use, you know, in January, or if you want to wait till February. If you also have ideas for icons or icons you'd like to see in my shop, don't hesitate to email me or even message me on Instagram, and I can see what I can do. So these stickers come out on Friday, January 12th at 9 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, and you can use the code CHILLY15, so CHILLY15. And I'm only using that code because it is currently -31 Celsius in, you know, where I live, so it is chilly. So CHILLY15 to get 15% off from Friday, January 12th until Monday at 11:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. All right, if you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all for watching and have yourselves a great day.